Alright, we're going to briefly go over your article in case you have any questions. This is the formatting guidelines. When you turn it in, you need to include all of these things. Notice the graphic organizer. And it should be handwritten neatly or typed, just like a final draft. The top here, this should be at the top of your written response, what you turn in. And then you'll have your paragraph 1, 2, and vocabulary. Don't need to label paragraph 1 and 2, just need to label where the vocabulary is at the bottom. Assignment requirements. Pay close attention to this page. Paragraph 1 needs to be written so that someone who hasn't read the article can understand what's happening. Paragraph 2 is your reaction. So you're going to put your opinion here. You're not going to be able to answer all these questions at the bottom, so pick a couple that you can go into good detail. Your vocabulary, you should find at least one new vocab word to define. Any that you find, just jot them down as you're going through so you can include those. Here's your graphic organizer. Of course, you need the information about the article at the top. Then the main ideas. So who did something in the article? Not necessarily going to be the author. What did they do? Where did they do it? How? This is going to be an important one when we're talking about genetics. And why they did it, and when. This could be several years that it took them to come up with their idea. Then any ideas, you might need more paper to write your reactions and thoughts as you're reading the article. So the graphic organizer will become your paper, so stuff directly translates. Your source is not Google, so that means you need to find the actual address. It might be the newspaper, might be Associated Press, a magazine, and get that written. So if you're not sure about the source, come see me. It should not start with google.com. Then the article should be less than 6 months old. This first chunk, these should become your paragraph 1, and this will become your paragraph 2. And then of course you should. So your rubric shows what I'm looking for. Your goal should be the satisfactory column. So make sure you address or have all the things listed. Because if stuff's missing, your grade's going to drop quite a bit. So hopefully that will help with any questions that come up.